Right. Let us go and try to understand today continuation of yesterday FlatFile to filter. We are trying to load the data from one FlatFile as a source, and we are trying to load the data into the target as a Oracle table. In the process of loading, we are doing some calculations, and also in the process of loading, we are trying to filter some data. Let us go and try to do that kind of activities. For this, let me open our designer. I have opened our designer. Then let me give control to someone. Yes. Vasu, I am giving control to you. I don't have option. Yeah, it's there. Vasu, I give control to you. Please try to connect to our repository. Please connect our repository. Vasu, you there? Bit slow internet is okay. Let me give control to Sri Govind. I am giving control to you. I give the control. Please try to connect to the repository. Please connect to the repository. P229 RRITEC rep. Provide the password. Then connect. Excellent. Now open the folder. Right click on the folder and click on open. Right click on the folder, click on open. Now shortly it's going to open our mapping. It's open. Now first activity what we have to do is we have here one thing that is known as date underscore ID column is available. That data type of this one is available as date, but here we have the column called as date is available. The date data type is available as a string. The date data type is available as a string. So your need is to convert whatever we have here string. The string we have to convert into the date we have to convert. The string column of the date what are available. This date is we have to convert this date one whatever available into here like this. String into date you have to convert. To convert string into date, can you please tell me what type of function you are going to use it? To-char or to-number or to-date? Which one is going to use it? To-date. Right. Let me go and try to understand what exactly to-date is. I am connecting to your database. Let us say your schema is available here. P229 HDBU. I am trying to connect to the P229 HDBU. This is what our source schema. Now, for example, select, okay, then I have here one column. That column is called as hire date from EMP. It's not there, invalid identifier. Then we have here HIRE, spelling wrong. Okay, now this was the date column what are available. For example, I am trying to give here one thing that I want to convert into the date, to underscore date. Okay, I want to convert, let us say 10th, then January, then we have here 2015, 10th January 2015. This one whatever available is a string data, but this one I want to convert into the date. How we can do that one? What is here? 10 stands for DD, right? So we'll write as DD, then slash, JN stands for what? MON, then slash, 2015 stands for what? YYYYY. Then close this one. If I execute it, it's going to it is going to define exactly what is the date. So this is a string, as you know already. It is a string. The string we are trying to convert into date. While we are providing the format, what these two characters are indicates that we have to write here. What these three characters are indicates that we have to write here. What these four characters are indicates that we have to write here. Okay. Similarly, now you tell me, if you go and see your flat file, whatever available yesterday we taken, I am going for Informatica. Your location of the sources is available in the server folder, infra shared folder, src files folder. There we have the time.txt is available. In this time.txt, we have one column. That column is known as 01 January 1996. This one, if I want to convert into the date, what is the syntax for that one? If this one I have to convert into the date, what is the syntax? So we have to write here what? dd, then hyphen, then MON, then we have here hyphen, then YYY, I have to write it, I have to execute it. So whatever format is available, same format you have to write it. Suppose by mistake you written this format, then what is happening here? That is, this one is okay. Let us say I am trying to say as here MON, then hyphen, then DD, hyphen, then I am trying to execute it. Then system will not be able to understand it. So what I am trying to say is, whatever respective things are available, respectively you have to write. Whatever format this is available, same format you have to write this one. If you are not writing in the same format, it is going to throw the error. Now as per our understanding, now this should be DD, and here should be MON, here should be MON, YYY should be there. Now whatever we have here, right, true data of this one, this is the logic what we are going to use to convert this date column, whatever available in Informatica, date column, whatever available string column, I need to convert into the date. Yes, let us go and try to do that one. Double click on expression transformation. Double click on expression transformation. Then go to the ports tab. Then we have here date underscore ID column is available. Date underscore ID. Opposite to that one, expression is available. Click on the expression. Then go to the down arrow mark. Go to the down arrow mark. Then try to remove the date underscore ID whatever available. Then if you don't know the syntax, you need not worry. If you go to the left side all functions, expand the all functions, you will see the to underscore date function. We are going to see it. Select any one function, type the T from the keyboard. Then just scroll down. We are going to see shortly to underscore date. Double click on the to underscore date. That is going to give you the syntax in the bottom. We have to provide here character as input, and we have to provide the format what way this character is available. We have to provide the format what way this character is available. Now we have to provide here the puts as date is the input. Now tell me date column available in what format? That format we have to provide over there. So single quote. As you know, the date is available in this format, it is available. So whatever format it is there, same way you try to provide it. So DD hyphen MON hyphen YYYY. Try to provide same way. Single quote. DD hyphen MON hyphen YYYY. Then single quote. OK. Validate and OK. Validate and OK. Expression passed successfully. Then OK. That's excellent. Now let me ask you some other thing. Let us say I am going for select SUB then A B C D E F, then 2 comma 3 from dual. Something like this I written. Then I am trying to execute here. Now tell me what is the answer we got. BCD, right? What is the meaning of this 2 here? 2 is nothing but position where it has to start it. 2 is nothing but the position where it has to start it. Position. This 3 is nothing but number of characters, how many characters you want it. Number of characters including the position also. So BCD like that we got second position is this one, and 3 characters you want, so BCD we got the answer here. Now in the same line, now next column I am looking for is here month underscore out I am looking for. Month is available in the test file, it is available, but it is available this part I want to pick it. This part if I want, what I need to do? 0 is the position 1, 1 is the position 2, hyphen is the position 3, J is the position 4. So 4 comma, how many characters I am looking for? 3 characters, so we have to write the 3. Let us go and try to do the same activity. Go for month underscore out. Go for month underscore out, not this one. Month underscore out. Then remove the month underscore out, whatever available. Then from functions, take the substring function. Then date. Think and write it. Yeah, 4 comma. If you want, you can see this one. See this notepad and try to write it. I want the month, right? How many characters are looking for? 3 characters. Excellent job. 4th position you have to start, and we want the 3 characters you want from that position. So click on OK. Now similarly, I want the quarter. If you see the quarter here, I'm expecting only whatever we have here, that part only I'm expecting. This is called as only this part. Last digit I'm expecting. Only last digits I'm expecting. How I can do that one? First position, second position, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So 6 comma 1 we can write that is a one way, or you can write the minus 1 also. That means from last to take the only one character, like that also you can write it. So let us go and try to write that one. Opposite to quarter underscore out. Then substring, substr substring. Then take the input as quarter column. Go to the puts tab. No, column names better avoid the typing so that we won't do the spelling mistakes. In our exercises, maybe our column names are very known columns for you. That's why if typing also is working, but live mostly column names, most of the column names may not be aware of it. Right, quarter, comma. You can write either 6 comma 1 or you can write the minus 1, whatever you want. Now close this one. Okay. Excellent. Next one is available, that is called as year. Year column we can take from wherever you want it. Suppose year column I am trying to pick from the quarter column. First 4 characters whatever available is 4 characters I have to read it. First 4 characters try to read it. Go for the again substring. Again substring. substr. Comma 1 comma 4. Close it. Click on OK. Right. With this excellently we completed everything. Click on again OK. This was the OK. Now if you see the notes here, we completed providing the data underscore ID column month underscore out column, quarter underscore out column, year underscore out column, all the formulas we completed. Change the ports date and quarter to input only ports. Already we changed it. The ports tab of the ODS underscore time expression should look as shown below. Similarly, we did it, right? Okay, we have to show here 4, 3, 6, 1, 1, 4. The syntax is like this. These two things should be disabled like that. Click on OK button. The expression transformation should look as shown below. Now we are trying to create a filter transformation. Click on the filter transformation button on the transformation toolbar. Click and drag the pointer which is coming as a plus symbol to the right of the expression and drag and drop the following ports in order to specify blah blah. First try to introduce the filter transformation. So introduce the filter transformation. Close bottom output window so that we have maximum workspace. Then minimize the expression, also minimize in the sense like this. Okay. Now go and try to introduce the filter. Then try to drag and drop one by one column in the order whatever way you are expecting as per the target. Try to drag and drop. I want date underscore ID column I want. Then day of week I want. Day of week I want. Then month I want. Then quarter. Then year. Then year. Fine. We taken all the columns taken, but what is our condition? We don't want all the data whatever available in the transformation, right? We want to apply the filter. The filter condition also, if people are aware of it, I am saying like I want the dates only. I want the dates only after 12/28/1999. I want it. After 12/28/1999 only I want it. Now let me take this one. Then double click on the filter transformation. Then mostly in the ports tab, nothing you can do it, or nothing we have to do it. Okay, let us go for the next one that is called as properties. Then we have here filter condition. Filter condition. Go to the drop down. Then remove the true whatever available. By default, each and every record is allowing. That is what the meaning of true. Now try to introduce the which port. We want condition means left side should be column name and then operator and then our operand. So go to the ports tab and try to say take here date underscore ID. Date underscore ID. Then type over there greater than equal to whatever you want, you can write it. So you mean to say this one you want to paste it. If you paste like that, it is valid or not valid. The date underscore ID whatever available left side, this is available in the format of date format. This is whatever you written, that is a varchar format or string format. Data types mismatch is there. Because of that one, it is going to throw the error. I'm sorry. Because of that mismatch of the data, there is going to throw error mismatching data types. So what we have to do? We have to write here is greater than. We have to convert this into the date format. Try to convert that one into the date format. True underscore date. Then bracket open. Then comma. dd y. Then validate. Then OK. Again OK. Perfect. We completed doing the filter also. From the filter transformation, try to connect one by one port to the target. Drag and drop one by one port, date underscore ID onto the date underscore ID. Excellent. Now similarly day of week onto the day of week. Then month underscore out to the month. Quarter underscore out to the quarter. Year underscore year to the year. Okay, with this we completed year underscore year to the year. Then if you go to the mapping menu, then click on the validate option. Then you can see it is valid. Then go to the repository menu, then save it. Now it is saved and it is going to show you it's saved or not. Okay, once it is completed, it is updated saying once it is completed, we have to create your workflow, you have to create it. Click on the workflow manager and try to create the workflow. Now shortly it is going to open. Okay, now try to connect to our repository. Try to connect our repository. Yes sir, bit fast. Try to connect our repository. In the bottom we have our repository. Let us go and try to connect it. Then we are trying to connect it. Then with this, once it is connected, we have to create the workflow with the name of WF underscore ODS underscore employee is the name what I given. Let us go and try to observe that one. The workflow name I given as here WF underscore ODS underscore time. Same name I am taking. Then I am trying to create the workflow. Right. We are going for the workflows menu. Create. We are providing the workflow name WF underscore ODS underscore time. Then OK. Then I am trying to take here session task. Session task I am introducing into the work area. This is what the mapping I want to map to the session. So click on OK. Both the things whatever available I am trying to link here. Then in the session level how to go and we have to map here properties. Source is coming from where? Source is coming from where? It is a file reader. The input type is equal to what? File. The input type is equal to file. So if you go and observe, let us say, as it is a file, it is not expecting any connection here. However, it expects where the file is available, where is the hard disk path. Hard disk path you have to provide. If you go and see here I have one thing properties. Input type is equal to file and source file type is equal to direct. Source file directory is what directory it is? $pm source file directory. Already people are aware of it. $pm source file directory is nothing but what is the path? That is a variable. It is pointing to this was the path it is pointing. That we already understand by navigating to the our admin page. We knows that one, right? Last class itself I shown that one. This variable is pointing to the path is called as src files path it is pointing, and our source file name is time.txt. These things you have to make sure. Number one is called as input type, then what is the variable is available and what is the file name. Mainly the file name we have to notice. Okay, remaining things I think automatically will come every time. You need not worry about it. Only file name we have to make sure it is properly available or not. Whatever file is available, same name is available or not. That's what you have to notice. Okay, right. Now select the target here, target ODS underscore time. Select the target ODS underscore time. Then select the connection. As you know already, this connection, what type of connection you have to provide. Select the connection target, then you have to select the connection here. Select the connection. Any problem with internet? Yeah, select the target. Select the target. Now we are selecting the target. Then click on OK. Now go for here. What is the target load type as? Normal. Then click on OK. Then try to save it. Now, if I go and if I try to run this one, what will happen? Whatever records are available in the source, those records will be loaded to the target, but my source is FlatFile and my target is stable. I am closing this time.txt, whatever available, I am closing it. Then, as you know, in this one we have the data starts with the 1996 to 2010 data we have it. Okay, now I am trying to run this one, right click, then start workflow from task. Shortly we are going to see workflow monitor. This is what the workflow monitor we have. Now we can go and observe here P29 RRITEC rep. There I am trying to connect it. Then go for the integration server, and this is just now it is running. It's showing a status as running. Once this is completed, we can go and we can observe the properties. We can observe it. For example, I am selecting this one. There I have the option called as get the run properties. Now if you go for the get the run properties, once it is succeeded, both are succeeded, then go for the source and the target statistics. How many records are available in the source? 5236 records are there. Out of that, we are able to take 3779 only we are taking. What happened to the remaining records? What happened to the remaining records? It is filtered out, right? So filter transformation is active or passive? It is active. Why? Because we have here more number of records and we have here less number of records. Okay, more number of records are available. Input is more and output is less is available. Input number of records is not equal to output number of records, hence it's called as active. Okay, with this we completed filter transformation. One more activity I given for you people, very simple activity. What I am taking is here, take the source as EMP table and target as F underscore EMP whatever available. I am filtering the data where salary is greater than 3000. Only those records I wanted. Can you do this one in the lab? You have to do this one in the lab. Okay, steps also given here clearly. You can follow the steps and you're able to do the things in the lab. If you face any problem, please let me know. I will explain here again. Okay. Now, we also have one more thing that is called as filtering rows with null values. Suppose we have...
Yes, one doubt.
Yeah.
I'm working with workflow design. It's saying that there is no integration service found for this workflow. But I have integration service.
Oh, there are no applications.
There is no integration service found for this workflow. It's giving the error.
In your case, right?
Yes, for workflow design.
Okay.
While running, it's giving.
Okay. Is it repository service and integration service up and running?
Yes, repository service is there and integration service also there.
Okay. Is it in the same laptop we are connecting here?
Yeah, it's in the remote desktop I am connecting.
In remote desktop, the problem is there.
Yes, yes.
I don't think so. Let me see that one. Otherwise, we'll finish this total filter, then we'll go for that one.
Okay.
Filtering rows with null values. That means you have to use the null condition like this. If null first name false, true, something is available, right? What I want is employee table we have, right? In the employee table we have the commission column. In the commission column we have some null values. I want to load into the target only the values which has commission value as not null values. Can you implement that one? I want to load into the target only the values which has commission as not null. Create one dummy target table which has the structure is similar to the EMP table and import the table as a target and try to load the data from source to target. While you're loading, make sure commission is null means you have to filter out. Commission is not null, then only how to pass to the target. Can you do it or not? Yes, you need to do that one. Next one is available, that is called as limitations of filter transformation. Using filter transformation, we can load only one target table at a time. That's right. If we have 5 different conditions, then we need to create 5 different filter transformation. I want to store India customers into India table, USA customers into USA table, UK customers into UK table. Like that, I want 5 conditions are available. Then we need here 5 filter transformations are required. We cannot capture the false or unsatisfied records of the condition in any table. So you can observe here, out of 5000 plus, we got only 3000 plus. Remaining all records, where it is went, simply rejected. Simply rejected. If I want to capture that also, I am not able to capture it. If I want to really capture it, then I need to take one more flow I have to take. With the false condition I have to take and I have to load it, right? So whatever records are rejecting, that records I am not able to capture. These are the 3 things, whatever the problems we have here. Okay, and one more thing is, note, use a filter transformation early in the mapping. For performance reasons, to maximize session performance, keep the filter transformation as close to as possible to the source in the mapping. Rather than passing rows that you plan discard through the mapping, you can filter out unwanted data early in the flow of data from source to targets. What it meaning is, try to keep your filter transformation as close to as source qualifier. Actually, in this also I will suggest, as per the point today, I will suggest one thing. Whatever we have here, right? This one, try to follow the performance tuning technique. According to that one, try to do it. I mean to say, first try to filter out the records. Then try to calculate the things. Can you do this also? First I want filter, then I want expression transformation. First I want to do the filter, whatever filter out records available, the 3000 records plus, I want to do the calculation, that is enough. Now what is happening? 5000 plus records it is calculating and is removing the unnecessary 2000 records, is removing, remaining records only it is moving here. Okay, so try to do this also, try to move the filter transformation first, then expression transformation second, like that. Okay, and next point, use a source qualifier transformation filter. Really, if you want to filter the data, better to due to the performance reasons, use a source qualifier filter only. If I double click on the source qualifier, inside the source qualifier also I have one option, that option is called as source filter. However, this is not available for me because I used the FlatFile notepad, I used, right? As my source is notepad, this option is not available. If it is a relational table, then this option will be available. For example, we have one more mapping is available, that is called as, we did one mapping that is known as m_ods_employee. Then double click on the source qualifier. There you can observe the property source filter. It is available or not. Here itself we can filter. That means there is no need of separate filter transformation. Here itself we can filter it out. You got it? So that's what I am trying to say. Use the source qualified transformation to filter to improve the performance. Next one is available router transformation. Yeah, before going for router transformation, let me debug the question, whatever he has the problem. Who is asked this question?
Yeah, Santosh.
Yes, Santosh. Let me. Oh, you are logged in as web. Actually, I thought of giving control to you. Okay, you guide me. I will do it. I am trying to log in here. Log into the remote server you want, right? This is my remote server only, right? Accessories, then remote desktop connection. I really appreciate as you asked the question and you practiced it. Okay, let us go for connect. Then it's trying to connect, and let me log in as with my ID. Let us say I logged in with my ID. Any ID you can log in, no issues. Now it's trying to open. Caps lock is on. Okay. Then I'm going for all programs. Then Informatica. Then client. Then Power Center client. Power Center Workflow
Okay.
Manager, right? Right
Yes.
click. Then go for Run as Administrator. Then click on S. Then it's going to open shortly. Then okay, as my repository, as I logged in with it's different ID, right? That is the reason
Yeah.
repository is not there. So let me add your repository. What is your repository name?
Yeah. Let me tell you my repository. B229 RS underscore RS
B22.
9
Okay.
underscore RS
Okay. What is the username?
under, no, underscore Saini SAINI
Underscore Sai. Okay.
Saini SAINI
SAI?
NI NI
Saini.
N
Saini.
for
Saini.
yes.
Is
Yeah.
it? Whom's name it is?
It's my surname.
Oh, surname. Okay. Now let us try to connect here.
The
Then
password is same, but
password. Now this is what the workflow. This workflow you are
exactly.
trying to run it. Start the workflow you are doing. This is what the error, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So the error reason is if you go for, let us say I am going for here service. Here I have an option called as assign integration service. Okay, some reason integration service is not mapped here.
Okay.
Some reason here I am not seeing. See here your window look and feel and my window look and feel. Here my window, see here
Okay.
how it is there. How it is there. My window, just observe it. Under the repository, what is appearing for me?
Yeah, integration service is appearing.
In our case, what is there? Under repository service, there is no integration service.
Exactly.
Okay, why it is happened
Yeah.
like that also you have to understand. For that, let me go for Internet Explorer. Then, what is the URL? HTTP
RRITEC.
URL directly login. Go here. Informatica. Then server. Then admin home page. It's not opening.
It's opening.
HTTP. Yes. RRITEC 8443.
I think it's opening in Google Chrome.
In Google Chrome it is opening.
Yeah,
We don't have your Mozilla.
Mozilla is not there.
Mozilla is not there. Okay.
Yeah, Google Chrome is there.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So slash administrator, if you type in the Internet Explorer also, it is going to come.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm trying to log in. It's trying to log in. Google Chrome is opening fast. Anyhow, what I want to show you is here how to add the integrated service. Let us say go for services, assign integration service. The folder in this repository have to be closed to assign an integration service to workflows. Now I am trying to close this one folder. Then we have here disconnect option. Now go to the services, assign integration service. Then we are going to get one window. Choose integration service. What is integration service? That integration service you have to select here. But somehow it is
Okay.
showing here empty. This list is showing as empty for me.
Let me try in my.
Sorry?
Let me try in my system. My.
Okay. No, every system will be there like that only maybe. Let me see why it is there like that. Right. Now if you go for what is your integration service here?
I it says same integration and 1 minute I'm left. So
B229
B229 underscore int underscore
sign, right?
and sign.
But see here
Yes.
what is this one it's saying?
The person integrated service is disabled.
If it is
Okay.
disabled, how it will appear over there? So first you have to enable this one. So I am enabling it. I think you missed my last step, whatever available, enable the service is available, right? That you missed it.
Yeah.
Now, once it is enabled, then go for again disconnect and try to connect once so that it will get the latest information. So I am trying to connect here, provide the password. Now it is appearing or not?
Yes. Yes.
This is what we are expecting actually. Now
Yeah.
let us go for services. Select the folder, select the services, assign integration service. Now in the drop down we have the sign in. Show the folder is RRITEC is the folder. I want to select this one, whatever workflow is available, that workflow, and integration service is, this integration service we are assigning to this workflow.
Yes.
Then click on assign. Then if you go for right click on this one, then open, then go to the workflows, then right click, start the workflow. Okay, it is going to start it. Executing
Yeah.
start workflow command. Shortly it is going to open workflow monitor. It is open the workflow monitor. It is running. Succeeded. Succeeded. Go and get the properties here. We are trying to get the properties. In the properties you can observe how many records are available in the source. 26 out of 26, 26 are arrived. If you want to
Yeah.
confirm, you can go to the designer and you can see results are came properly or not. We can confirm it. Suppose if you go to the designer, then the designer, what is your target table? If you go to the target table, ODS underscore employee is our target table. Or if you go and open our mapping, already is available somewhere. Where is your mapping? Mapping. Then whatever our target table we have it. Right click on the target table. Then go for preview data. You do not connect to the SQL Plus or anything. Directly here itself you can preview the data. What is your connection? What connection you given?
Some RRITEC.
Some RRITEC.
Yes, that sign is there. I think that.
Saini, where is that? Samir is there. Saini. Okay. Anyhow, let me select some other connection also. I can select it here. Anything I am selecting. Then go for your user. What is the username? Any idea?
Yeah, let me take 1 minute. I let. Yeah, sign underscore SDBU
Saini
underscore
underscore HDB means
SDBU.
TDBU, right?
Yeah, TDBU. And SSK is the password.
Same
SSK.
same as password.
SSK. Just SSK.
Yes. Yes. K.
K. Yeah, that's it.
Only 3 letters.
Yes, 3 letters.
Connect. Then if you did correctly, then it is going to showing invalid username and password. SAINI. Is it correct?
Yeah, SCIN, SSK. That's it.
Let me try to log in first as database. SAINI underscore is there.
Yes, TDBU.
TDB
ORCL.
SSN
SSK.
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 Then at the rate of ORCL. Enter. The username is wrong. Something else you might be given.
No, that's correct only.
Then it has to log in. Let me verify. Then what do you given? Sources SSK. Let us go and try to see. SSK ODBC underscore SRC. SSK ODBC underscore SRC. SSK ODBC underscore SRC. SSK is not there. I think you created a user level DSN might be created. That's why it's not appearing for me. Okay, anyhow, try to, it is perfectly completed now. If you want to get that information, if you forgot also, nothing to worry. If you go here,
Okay.
connections, operational, then target, edit. What is your username? Sign underscore TDB, correct? And database correct, but I am getting doubt on the password. Password caps you given or small you given?
Yeah, caps. Okay, sorry, I gave it in the caps.
You given the caps? Very good, very good. So SSK enter. Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
You given capital, you given. Then if you forget the things, you have to go to the workflow here and you can see here what connection it is. Okay. Now I'm coming back to the designer. Then I want to see the data. Let us go for right click and preview the data. Then what is the name?
Capital SSK.
SSN, right?
SSK.
SSK. Then connect. Now we are able to see the data. We are able to see it. All the 26 records we are able to see it.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Good job. Okay, I really appreciate.
Thank you.
In your folder, I want to see every time. I mean to say, whenever I complete something, immediately you should see create the same thing here. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Sure.
the exercises. All the exercises.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
And tomorrow no class. We are going to meet on Monday.
Hey, Ram.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Ram, this is Ignatius. I've been having issues, logging into the remote server or even running my VM machine. I don't know.
I logged into the remote server actually.
You are, and can you see my server? Can you see my screen? You see the error message I'm having as of yesterday. Since yesterday, I have to stay till like 10 p.m. to get the admin to help me, and he helped me, but I still couldn't go past. Can you see my screen? I'll show you what I have on there. I've not been able to practice ever since. Not Informatica, not BIEE or anything like that.
Okay, we'll sit on your issue at the time of today 10:30 like that. I will make
10:30 my time.
Yeah, no, my time 10:30 my time. Another 3.5 hours. We have no class. We have no long classes there. After the long class, I'm going to sit for you.
Okay, so what is your time now?
My time is 7.
7. So 10 o'clock, which is my time now is 8. So that will be about 11 o'clock my time. 11:30.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I'll wait up. I could wait up so you could try to get me on track, so I could practice. And I have a couple of questions that I would like to ask you, and then maybe we could move things faster on this.
Sure, we'll do it. Sure, we'll do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I appreciate that.
Okay, bye bye.